Hey, what's up guys? This is your girl Tracy. And I always say this, your girl Tracy with Tracy's World, but we're switching things up a little bit. And I've taken a long hiatus, I know. I hope that you guys are still with me. I had a lot of health issues and stuff that I was getting together, but I'm doing much better. And if you want to know more about that, you can see previous videos. I don't want to talk about it anymore, but you know, I'm trying to move forward. So I noticed something, okay? I noticed like when I want to enjoy my family or my friends or associates, work associates, whatever it is, you know, people tend to question my decision not to drink. And sometimes it's, oh, you know, I give them an explanation. I give them an explanation as to why I don't. But sometimes it's frustrating because it's a personal situation, personal decision. I mean, there are a lot of reasons people don't drink. Some people have addiction issues. Some people have, you know, medical issues. And some people are just choosing to change their lifestyle, you know, as far as health, you know, and diet and nutrition. And then there are those that have been quarantining, okay? And, you know, they got about 9 months where they can't, you know, drink nothing, or they breastfeeding, whatever the reason is. It's personal, so you really don't have to give people, you know, or disclose why you choose not to drink. But like everything else, you know, the world is changing and things are just really moving. And there are places called SoBars all over the country. SoBar is a sober bar. It is a bar where you can go mingle, you can go have a good time, you can go socialize, but you don't have to consume the alcohol, right? So, SoBarRistic. Anyways, so I thought it'd be cool, you know, for us to, you know, just, you know, come up with some drinks that you can make at home. You can make for your parties, for bridal showers, for weddings, whatever the occasion, birthdays, and you can still socialize and have a good time. Yeah, and it's the buzz without the booze. So we're gonna get into some drinks, but before we get started, you guys know what to do. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate your comments. I really would like to know what you added to your drink, so make sure you comment, watch this video, comment, you know, tell me what you did. You can add whatever you want to your drinks. If you drink, you can add alcohol to your drinks. If you don't drink, then you can make it like I make it, or you can tweak it and add it, you know, add what you want to. That's what's so fun about doing this, is being a soberologist and all, you know, it's mixing what you want to and making it work for you. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do, all right? And I'm just giving y'all some time to go ahead and hit them thumbs up buttons and turning on that notification. Okay, we good. All right, so let's get started. So I have my handy dandy blender, Black & Decker, and whatever blender you have, NutriBullet, any type of blender, it'll work. I'm placing about 1/4 cup of blueberries, 1/4 cup of blackberries, and about 6 to 8 strawberries. But you can definitely go ahead and alter that according to your taste. But you want to make sure you get those blackberries in there so that you can get that sweet taste, along with the tart that the key lime will create. Okay, so pouring all the berries in there right now, and you can't see it, but it's about 1/4 of a cup of berries. So let's get that all poured in there. So So what we're doing now is adding some ice to the mix, and I have this cute little blinged out ice bucket that I got from Amazon for about, I think it was $26. It's so cute, full of sparkle. We're gonna add about half a cup of ice to the mix. Okay, so now we're gonna pop that can, pop that top, and add about a half cup of LaCroix Key Lime sparkling water. Ooh, that looks so good already. Already. Okay, so I had this leftover, this Minute Maid frozen lemonade, and so I'm just going to add what I have left over in there. You do not have to do this. You can add concentrate, like key lime frozen drink or frozen lemonade, like out of the juice section, but this is what I had left. So I'm going to add about, I don't even think it's half cup, probably maybe it's about half cup of the SkinnyMix strawberry key lime margarita mix. I love these skinny mixes. They are about 5 calories per serving, so you can't go wrong with that. We're gonna go ahead and get this all blended together. I just know it's about to be it's about to be good. I didn't want to bust your eardrums with the blender because it is really loud, but we blended all of that together, and now I'm taking some pink Himalayan salt. I like pink salt, you know, I like the color that it gives on your drinks as well, and it's just better for you. But I'm taking a I'm taking a lime and putting it around the rim, and then of course putting the cup around to get the salt. And then I'm cutting a lime for garnishing the drink, and I'm also going to cut a strawberry and put on the side of the drink. You can put it wherever you want to. You kind of play around with the looks of it. I had it one time next to the lime, but this one I'm going to put on the other side. Pour it up, pour it up. We're going to pour it up, pour it up. Oh my gosh, that looks so yummy. I cannot wait to taste this. Look how beautiful it looks. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, so now we have our lime berry. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Ooh-wee. It looks so pretty. I don't want to drink it. Okay guys, so listen. This thing looks so delicious. This is the lime berry. You can garnish it the way that you want. I have a lime here and a strawberry here, and I'm telling you, this looks so delicious. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Man, this is good, guys. All I got to say is yum, 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 yum. This is good. Okay, so when you're making drinks, we always have to pair it with something, right? You know, something very light. So what I'm going to do now, let's just show you how you can make this, you know, really, 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 really beautiful. Presentation is everything. So if you're having a dinner party or something, for those that don't drink, this could be a great alternative. So we're going to go ahead and put a nice little finger foods here and show you how you can make this work. Okay, I'll be right back. So I just put a couple of pita chips up there and some garden vegetable dip, but you can put like some bread and butter or whatever and just make it look really nice. I didn't want to waste a lot of food because it's just me, but you know, that's just an idea. Ooh. The only word you can say is SoBarRistic. Listen, I am your SoBarologist, Tracy, and I have been so blessed by all of you guys, all of your comments, your prayers, your patience as I get back to YouTubing, everything that you guys have sent as far as messages. I appreciate, and I want to just say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Listen, make sure you tell somebody about what we're doing here. We're hooking up these drinks. Make sure you join me. Make sure you send me some photos of your drinks, because I want to see. I want to see what you come up with. I want to see your rendition of the limeberry, okay? So let's do that. Make this limeberry. And I want to thank you for checking out this video today. I want to make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications. Listen, go out and be great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you believe you can do, go ahead and do it. And just be great today, okay?